Looking for a cleaning robot for our above ground pool and decided to go with this WYBOT for a number of reasons. One is that it has these 4 options for cleaning cycles, and it's going to have about 120 minutes or 2 hours of cleaning, and it can do that from either 1, 2, or 3, or 4 days. How cool is that? So it can go and just run the whole 120 minutes and run around your pool cleaning, or it can do like 60 minutes, and then the next day it'll do 60 minutes. You know, you can kind of figure it out. It'll spread the charge out, which makes it neat because you can kind of set it and forget it. It's capable. It's got these rubber things on the front. It goes and sucks through there. It's got the ports. It's got the rubber, so it's got nice traction. There's no sharp edges, so it's great for an above ground pool. Easy charging up top here through this gasket, and it'll go up to the edge of the pool and sit for a bit so that it gets a good clean. Really impressed with it so far. Hope this helps.